Hello guys, this is Harry from Harry Tech, back with another video with another website that you can earn from. Today's website is called Ysense. This website is remotely close to the website that we have covered before on this channel, which was swagbucks. Ysense offers you a wide variety of paid surveys, cash offers, and more tasks that you can dream of, so you can make money with this website. As usual, these websites are just sort of a side income if you wanna increase your income and maybe try to expand to other things online, maybe like start a business. You can do this as well on the side. Also, we will be covering an affiliate program that this website is running, which offers you $5 per registered member. We will be talking on that later on. This can actually scale your earnings and give you more potential earning while working on this website. Before we jump into this video, if you feel so inclined, please drop a like, comment down below, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel so you can boost the algorithm and so you can help us reach a lot of people and spread more knowledge about various aspects of making money online. Also, you can check our main website to gain more knowledge and insights about various ways to make money online. Without further ado, let's jump into this video and cover this website. So the first thing that you need to do is obviously create an account on Ysense, and in order to do so, you just come up here to this box where it says sign up for free now, and just put in your email, password, and click on agree and click on join now. You will receive a confirmation email. Just confirm your email and then you will have your account ready. I will log into my account and show you how it looks. We are now in the dashboard of Ysense, and as you can see, you will have your account details right here, your name, email, all that good stuff, and obviously the amount that you earned so far. And right here you can see the available balance to withdraw, and next to it there is a cash out button. We will touch down on the methods of withdrawing money from Ysense in the end. I just want to highlight the fact that you can work, if you are a guy that fancy work via mobile phones, you can download the app from the Google Play or the App Store, and you can absolutely work on this awesome website from your phone. Going back up, as you can see guys, we have a lot of ways to earn money from this website, and the first tab or the first thing that we can work on is surveys. Depends on the country you are working from. There is a lot of offers and surveys that you can do. So this varies from a country to another. As you can see, we have a CPX research survey for 25 cents, and this varies, like I said, from a country to another. For example, the US do have a lot of surveys rates opposed to other countries like in Africa or Asia. So you have surveys right here, and if you want to take a survey, you just click on this button right here and it will load up the tab of the survey. As you can see, we are now being questioned, or we have received a question: which supermarket you usually do your groceries and why do you like it so much? Let's say, for example, Walmart. As you can see guys, we put in Walmart because it has competitive prices, and you can basically do whatever you want. I mean, answer it to the best of your ability. It does not have to be scripted. Just click on submit and you can continue with your survey. As you can see guys, we were not qualified for that one survey, so it's all good. Bunch of other surveys will pop up on a daily basis, and you can work on these surveys, like I said. Also, you got your daily survey, your profile survey. You can as you can see here, which of the following devices do you use to play games? You can choose your answer from here. Let's say, for example, we use console. Answer, you get your 0.02 cents for each question that you answer. You can do your survey profile. This resets on a daily basis, like I said. Also, you got here the daily poll, which you just answer a daily poll and get that 1 cent on a daily basis as well. This is for the surveys tab. We just move on to the offers tab. This is like the big bucks. As you can see guys, you can earn up to $3,500 if you can work on this offer right here, and there's plenty of them. They actually vary from playing the games, doing tasks, and all of that. As you can see, you can download this game and qualify, I guess, to or reach a level in that game, so you can earn up to $4, excuse me, and As for this game, you can do the same. Basically, just download it and play the game, and you can earn up to $35 and so on. There's plenty of them. And right here, you can switch the offer vendor. For example, we are on review. You can switch to my ships right here, and it will load up different offers as well and different ways for you to earn money. Offer Turo and so on. Guys, I just needed to touch on this one. As you can see, loads of offers that you can do. We move on to the affiliates right here, and this is by far one of the best ways that you can earn money or scale your earnings on Ysense is promoting your affiliate link. As you can see, become a Ysense affiliate and start earning money today. Share with your friends and watch your earning grow. Like literally, you can shoot your link to your friend and just tell him to do this stuff while like he's on the bus and doing some just chilling, basically do this task, and he can earn some side income, and you will gain to 30% of his earning, and they are recurrent commissions. So each month you will get 30% of his earning. And if you don't like that, as you can see, for the sign up commission, you will get 0.10 cents or 10 cents to 30 cents, I should say, for the sign up, and you can earn up even more to $2 per each referral if the referral you brought to Ysense make at least $5 on this platform. So it's very good, guys. If you want to share your link and just earn from referrals, you can do so. Just gain or publish your link and boost it up on social media, so you gain traffic to your link and earn up money from it as well. As for the ways that you can promote your link right here, you can do so, for example, by going to Reddit and search for communities like the beer money community. Let's just look it up. As you can see, the beer money, there is like plenty people that are wanting to work online. As you can see, there is 1.2 million visitors, or like people in this community. You can share your link right here. There is let's say, for example, referral codes. As you can see, there is people in this community just strictly sharing their referral links or codes and signing up through each other link. You can share yours in here. You can also type in like something that has to do with make money online, communities that have make money theme to them. As you can see, these communities, you can also publish your link in here, and like I said, just sit here and collect cash. Another way to do it is just by sharing your link in groups that has a money making theme to them as well. You can go in here and just basically share your link. Let's click on see results. I don't know why Facebook is just not showing these results anymore, but as you can see, there's plenty of groups on Facebook, and you can just join into these groups and publish your link in here. So these are the three methods that you can earn money from Ysense. Let's just move on to the ways that you can cash out money from this website. And as you can see, we have a lot of ways that we can withdraw our money. We have Amazon cards, Skrill, and we have Steam cards as well. We have PayPal cards. And yeah, there's a lot of ways that you can withdraw your money with. Pioneer here as well. And for PayPal, the minimum withdrawal amount would be $10. So if you reach $10, you can withdraw your money from Ysense, and it's very convenient. There is a lot of options you can do so. So that was it for today's video, guys. If you like this video, please consider dropping a like down below and subscribe to the channel. If you have anything that you want to tell me or reach out to me about, you can do so via my Instagram. If you want me to cover more stuff, more methods to earn online as well, you can drop some ideas for me, and I will definitely cover them up in the channel, whether that be affiliate marketing, websites to side hustles, all of that. Just be sure to reach out to me. With that being said and done, take care of yourselves, guys, and see you in the next video.